Good day, Pinoy Clicksters and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And for this video, I'm gonna share with you a fun fact. Let's go! Okay, so we have here Marvel Heroclix Collector's Trove Play at Home Kit featuring Nebula there and Gamora there. The two one of the two baddest women in the Marvel universe. So on the side, we see here the same illustration for the sisters. Okay, same on the other side. And at the back, we see a brief description. Bring two of the deadliest women in the galaxy to your next Heroclix game as part of this play-at-home kit. Whether you choose to make them allies as part of your squad or have them face off head-to-head, these figures will be a fun addition to any Heroclix player's team building collection. Even better, this play-at-home kit contains a new map to play with your favorite characters from Collector's Trove. Help Gamora and Nebula pull off an epic heist while they blast, bash, and crash through your opponent's force. Okay, so we have finally received this play-at-home kit. We've ordered two actually. One was already sold to Larry, okay, because of the one shot. I think everyone knows we're buying this play-at-home kit for the one shot. And of course, we're buying it for this one for the do not eat anti-moisting. Okay, so we have here the figures, Gamora and Nebula. Let's take them out. Okay. We'll take a look at the characters first before we jump into the one shot. Okay, so we also have here terrains. Let's see. We have water terrain and a long hindering terrain. Is that with some graffiti on it? Okay, and then we have here an elevated with a clear terrain. So this is the ladder to that hindering terrain. Okay, it looks like a stage. So let's put them back. This is not our highlight, as I said, but always good for PAHKs to have a terrain. And then we have here a map, as mentioned in the preview. We have the Guardian ship indoor. Okay, with a caveat, deep space. Orange squares are blocking terrain that can't be destroyed. Ooh, interesting. Where are those orange squares? The orange squares seem to be on the corner. Corner only? Yeah, only on the corner. Interesting. Okay. And then the other side of the map is the, let's see, nowhere outdoor. Okay. So you can always check HC realms or HC units for the full image of the map. For now, we're just gonna jump into the characters, starting with Nebula. Okay. So Nebula is a team player with the Guardians of the Galaxy, Minions of Thanos, Assassins, Pirate, Warrior keywords. I like the Warrior keywords because it grants like I think the bag of holding. So Rip is the trait when Nebula KOs an opposing character of 30 points or more, or less rather, score 10 victory points. So very good against bystander teams or timebreaker teams. And another trait, Sibling Rivalry. Nebula modifies her combat values +1 if a character that shares a keyword with her hit this turn. Ooh, interesting. Okay, so because especially if you use her as part of the Guardians of the Galaxy, that can really kick off that +1 combat values. Okay, so she is improved movement, improved targeting, hindering with running shot at 60 points, or sidestep at 35 points, penetrating or energy explosion depending on your starting dial, ESD and toughness, enhancement and shape change. So yeah, so real name unknown. Okay, I wonder why she has an unknown name. Okay, the next one is her sister, not necessarily biological because color of skin, you can see immediately they are of different race, is Gamora with the Guardians team ability, and the Guardians of the Galaxy team a keyword rather, minions of Thanos, assassin and warrior again. Another the same trait actually with Nebula, with the Rip and the Sibling Rivalry. Okay, and same point value. This one, her real name is known, Gamora Zenwober Ben Titan. Okay, yeah, so that's very hard to write when you're studying. So she has improved movement adjacency and can use hypersonic or charge depending on the point value, 60 or 35, blades or precision strike, combat reflexes or senses, empower, and then on the bottom half of the dial we have the combat expertise. Okay, so probably good to use them together because they have Guardians of the Galaxy. 35 points is not so shabby, I would say, because of the power sets they come with. But on the side for you guys, because the main event is here and we have the Rivalry. So Rivalry one shot, as you guys know and we probably heard, is a meta one shot which has the effect: when a friendly character attacks a single character that shares a keyword with them, you may choose not to roll the attack. If you do, the attack becomes hit. Okay, so it becomes hit, so it doesn't, it truncates super senses, mastermind, and other possible shenanigans because you don't need to roll and it's immediately hit. So this is Collector's Strobe S015, 5 points. And you can see here at the back the mechanics for one shots, which is all one shots are unique, and during force construction you may add one or more one shots to your sideline face up by paying their point cost. When while face up, a one shot can use the effect printed on it. All effects of one shots are sideline active, and the energy duration created by that effect continues even if that effect is lost or can't be used. When a one shot effect is used, immediately turn that one shot face down. At the end of the game, your opponent scores your face down one shots. Okay, so this is the main piece, as I said, the reason for buying the pack. But the others are also should not be ignored because they are good. What do you guys think? Do you think Rivalry is the best one shot there is? Share your thoughts on the comments. Let's go. Bye bye.